This is marking period 1 unit test listening script. This is version B. Version A was given in class. Please have this paper. If you don't have this paper, just get a scrap sheet and write down your answers, and you can get those to me. Here we go. Number 1. The first group are numbers from 0 to 19. A is toi, toi. B is 17, 17. C is 12, 12. D is 14, 14. E is 19, 19. All right, I'm going to repeat those. A, toi. B, 17. C, 12. D, 14. E, 19. Repeat as you need to. Rewind. All right, next group is between 20 and 59. Here we go. A is 46, 46. B is 25, 25. C is 31, 31. D, 58, 58. E, 42, 42. Repeating. 46, 23, 31, 58, 42. Last group of numbers are between 60 and 100. Remember that 100 could be an option here. A is 98, 98. B, 62, 62. C, 87, 87. D, 100, 100. E, 73, 73. The bonus has 3 digits. I'll say it 3 times. 475, 475, 475. Here are the repeats for numbers from 60 to 100. 98, 62, 87, 100, 73, 475. Next part is alphabet. I'm going to say 5 letters, and you are going to just write the letter. Here we go. The first one is B. B. Next one, E. E. Third one, Y. Y. Fourth one, T. T. Fifth one, J. J. Listen to the letters again. B, E, Y, T, J. Next are accent marks. Please write one of these for the answers. The first one is circumflex. Circumflex. 2, grave. grave. 3. Aigu, aigu. 4. Cédille, cédille. 5. Tréma, tréma. Last part. I'm going to ask you a question, and you are going to circle or write down one of these answers. Here is number 1. Number 1, write down A, B, or C. Answer the question. Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? Number 2, which one of these makes the most sense? Number 2, je m'appelle Marie. Je m'appelle Marie. Number 3, answer the question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Number 4, which one answers the question? C'est quelle saison? C'est quelle saison? And 5, quel jour est-ce? Quel jour est-ce?